Today is Tuesday, April 16. It's 5 minutes after 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern. A number of levels on the board to trade against in the E-mini futures. They are pretty spread out. Range is from 515.65 down to 493.35. I will point out that this zone here, still important from yesterday, is this dash because this whole area is a zone. It would scale in if they came down into it. Currently, they're above it. They did bounce off of this in the pre-market. They're at 505.28 currently. And just a lot of spread between these levels after what happened yesterday. We don't know whether they're just going to go to sleep and be quiet today or they're going to continue to follow through and have more movement, but this is an important area still. Anyway, we will take a look at all the trades taken in the E-minis after the market closes this afternoon. It's now almost 7:30. Not a lot of movement, relatively speaking, but there was around 40, but more than 40 point range today. And a couple base hits were easy to pull out. First one's recorded in the middle of this zone here. I mentioned the zone was important. Well, you can pretty much see how important it was all day. And grabbed first base hit here. Had to head into the office around 10 o'clock, so didn't record the next one, but I'll just talk through it now. So I actually bought halfway down in this, wanted a better price because 9:45 they were coming down into this a little bit kind of hard. I'm looking at some other clues that I have, and I thought, well, I'll buy here and buy here. I had 2 limit orders. But they just gave me the first base hit. Got the second one. It was, I got set up just in time to see this one coming into the level. And to get 6 points on this. Got a little bit more on this one, I think 5.5 points. And you'll watch that one. And never really did anything else. Thought they'd get me up high to 508, 507.08. That neighborhood never happened. Also, by the way, it was kind of interesting when I saw this fall pretty fast. This was keeping an eye on this off to the side while working. And when they fell in, again here, I thought, oh, maybe they're going to come all the way down here around the 500 level finally, and I'd get a nice long trade there. But it was kind of funny to watch this happen because they just ping-ponged really quickly exactly at these 2 levels here. So those are the 2 trades. Let's take a look at the first one, which was recorded. Okay, I have this queued up right before 9:45 this morning. I'll start playing this, and like I mentioned, after looking at a few things, I thought I want a better price. So I put a limit order right in the middle of the zone to buy and was willing to buy again at the bottom of that zone, and they just gave me the first base hit. Got 5.5 points, I believe, on that one pretty quickly, and this recording stops right after 10 o'clock. I can speed up to show you, but the next one's not recorded. I got back in front of my computer just in time. I think it happened 30, 40 minutes later or so. So we'll stop this. Just go back to the full day one more time. Not a whole lot more to see. First trade halfway in the zone. Second trade at the bottom of the zone. And that was it. If you were playing by the rules and treated each level independently, you would have got a base hit at each one. Just would have taken a little bit longer on the first. You would have been out of the money, but as you can see, they worked multiple times throughout the day. So 2 base hits is 8 E-mini points, and I got 5.5 on the first that you saw, and I got 6 points on the second one. So got a little bit more points today. Pretty straightforward, and I appreciate you watching. Hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. I think I just said that. Have a great day.